Hey everybody, it's Derek here from HobbyBoxBreakers.com with tonight's 2012 Panini Elite Group Break number 12, or number 11, I'm sorry. And here, oops, it's not scrolling. All the winnings, you can see all your names there. Like I said, my computer's broken. I don't know if you haven't been in any of the others, so I'm using this lovely little netbook. And don't have Excel on it, so that's why we're doing that way tonight. Although if you guys are okay with it, I'd rather do it that way. It's a heck of a lot easier for me. Here's the serial number, 530-019-159-666. Hopefully it can, if it's half as good as the Prestige break earlier, that'd be pretty good. Cards are kind of wedged in there, the front and the backpack. There's the empty. Let's get to it. Fred Jackson, Plaxico Burress, DeMarcus Ware, first pack, first hit, New Breed jersey, TJ Graham for the Bills. It's numbered out of 399. Carson Palmer, Jason Witten. Sorry, sticky in my hands. Chris Johnson, Adrian Peterson, Brandon Whedon, Ben Jarvis Green Ellis, D'Angelo Williams. I'm trying to put a good place for all these. Peyton Hillis, Antonio Gates, Greg Jennings, Ben Roethlisberger, Roy Helu. Anquan Bolden, Darrelle Revis, Alden Smith, Darren Sproles, Devin Hester. Calvin Johnson, Sam Bradford, and we got a printing plate. Looks like it's Josh Freeman. Black printing plate. There's a nice bonus that I'm pretty certain will not count as a hit. It's one of our 4 hits. Maurice Jones-Drew, Michael Turner. At least the other time we pulled a plate out of this, it didn't. Ryan Fitzpatrick, Mark Sanchez, Morris Claiborne, hard hats. Cam Newton, Richard Seymour. Matt Hasselbeck, Jared Allen, first autos, Cyrus Gray for the Chiefs. Brian Rakpo, Tom Brady. Ryan Matthews, Aaron Rodgers, Chris Rainey, Jay Cutler, Arian Foster. Victor Cruz, Colt McCoy, Jason Witten, Kevin Cobb, Drew Brees. Matt Castle, Ray Rice, Maurice Jones-Drew, Frank Gore, Peyton Manning. Andy Dalton, Troy Polamalu, George Iloka, Von Miller, Vernon Davis. Adrian Peterson, Fred Jackson, Plaxico Burress, and a Throwback Threads Richard Dent auto jersey. That's pretty nice. Number 1 out of 15. Steve Smith, Michael Vick. Roddy White, Marcus Colston, Dwayne Allen, hard hats. Matthew Stafford, Rob Gronkowski. Marshawn Lynch, Jamal Charles, Darren Sproles, Aspirations, number 53 out of 57. Matt Forte, Richard Mendenhall. Reggie Bush, Deshaun Jackson, Willis McGahee, Julio Jones, Jimmy Graham. Heath Miller, Charles Woodson, LeGarrette Blount, Vargas Jackson, Blaine Gabbert. Eli Manning, Greg Little. Oh, that's pretty bent up. Elite Series. Aaron Rodgers with the bent corner. LaShawn McCoy, Tim Tebow. Panini's packaging just is subpar. Eric Berry, Matt Ryan, Here's the last auto, a redemption for a Bryce Brown, turn of the century rookie signature. Not sure what team he plays for, so I'll have to look that up. Larry Fitzgerald, Brian Urlacher. Joe Flacco and Dominic Sue, Steven Jackson, Patrick Willis, Matt Schaub. Josh Freeman, Brandon Marshall, Ladarius Green, Darren McFadden, and Tony Romo. So that was a pretty good box. I mean, printing plates, always a good extra bonus, and the got 3 autos instead of 2. So for instance, we got the Darren Sproles, numbered out of 57, the Josh Freeman plate, the Bryce Brown auto, the Richard Dent jersey auto, the Cyrus Gray auto, and the TJ Graham auto. So not too bad. Football's been doing pretty well tonight. Thanks again. There won't be anything up ending this weekend. The next break I'm going to put up on Sunday, ending next Wednesday. Get caught up on shipping, and also hopefully my computer will be fixed by then. So in the meantime, check out hobbyboxbreakers.com. There's some new stuff up there. Thanks again.